Why do poultry farmers trim the beaks of pullets? Is it simply to make the birds look different? Absolutely not. In this video, you're going to learn about debeaking, its advantages, the effects of improper debeaking, and aftercare measures. So if you find this video helpful, like, share, drop a comment in the comment section, and subscribe to Trekarios Veterinary Clinic Pharmacy. Beak trimming is a poultry management practice designed to reduce aggressive pecking, cannibalism, egg pecking, injuries, and feed wastage. But there's something very important. The technique matters, and it does economically. Think about what happens when birds constantly peck one another. A small injury can become an open wound. That wound can attract more pecking, leading to serious injury, infection, stress, and sometimes death. And that means money loss. Debeaking can help reduce further pecking, cannibalism, injuries, mortality, and feed wastage. When birds waste less feed and the flock remains calmer and more uniform, the farmer can achieve better feed efficiency and potentially better overall flock performance. So properly managed beak trimming is not just about the bird. It can have a direct impact on the economy of your poultry farm. Some of the major advantages include reduced further pecking and cannibalism, fewer injuries among birds, less feed being thrown away from the feeder, reduced mortality and unnecessary culling, a calmer flock with less aggressive behavior. For layer birds, maintaining a healthy uniform flock is particularly important because good management contributes to consistent production. But remember, beak trimming is not a substitute for good poultry management. Overcrowding, poor nutrition, inadequate lighting, heat stress, and other management problems can also trigger aggressive behavior. Now, let's talk about the other side. Debeaking can cause pain, stress, and temporary reduction in feed intake, especially when performed inappropriately. If too much of the beak is removed, a bird can struggle to pick up feed or drink water. Poor technique or poorly maintained equipment can also cause excessive bleeding, tissue damage, infection, or permanent deformity. So this is not a procedure that should be performed casually. The right equipment, correct techniques, appropriate training, and trained personnel are essential. During the procedures, birds should be handled gently and efficiently to minimize stress. The debeaker of efficient beak trimming equipment must be properly maintained and operated according to the manufacturer's instruction and your flock management program. Only the appropriate portion of the beak should be removed. Do not over-trim. The objective is to reduce the sharpness and not to damage the potential of the beak, which is to prevent the bird from feeding normally. Birds that are sick and unfit for this procedure should be identified and managed appropriately rather than subjected to unnecessary stress. Now, don't overlook what happens after the procedure. Aftercare is just as important. Provide clean, accessible drinking water, mixed vitamins to serve as anti-stress, and good quality feed immediately after trimming. Keep feed at an average depth so birds can easily pick it up. Maintain comfortable temperature and good ventilation and avoid unnecessary handling. Then observe the flock carefully. Watch for excessive bleeding, birds struggling to eat or drink, unusual weakness or signs of infection. Monitor food and water intake until the birds return to normal. Where appropriate, vitamins can be used under professional guidance to support recovery from stress. So remember, good debeaking is not about cutting more but about cutting correctly. Proper techniques, trained personnel, and good aftercare can make a major difference to flock welfare and farm productivity. You can drop your questions in the comment section. And for more practical poultry and veterinary management tips, like, comment, share, subscribe, and follow Trekarios Veterinary Clinic Pharmacy.